Welcome to today's video. Just gonna be a chill one. I am heading to Cars and Coffee right now. It's actually the last one of the season. I believe this one they're doing it's like a trunk or treat type of thing where people are gonna have like candy and stuff in their trunks, so all the kids who like dressed up can go around like trick or treat and stuff. So I'm on my way to the gas station right now because I need to fill up really badly, and then we're gonna head over there. So enjoy the video. Well guys, unfortunately it doesn't look like I'll be getting a main spot in the area. My buddy just called me and said it's pretty much full already. It's only like 8:10. I guess I should have expected that, being it's the last Cars and Coffee, but with it being a little cooler out, I didn't think it'd fill up that quick. So I might have to park in the adjacent parking lot, which I'm not too butthurt about, so we'll still have fun. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the video. This is like almost a full week later from when I last recorded. I went to Cars and Coffee last Saturday. It was the last one at this one location where it's at this church. It's the bigger one. We have two different Cars and Coffee. This was the bigger one. So car looks pretty good, sounded pretty good. Considering it was recorded on the phone, so it's a little more high pitched than it usually is, but it still sounded good, you know, nonetheless. Also guys, I forgot to mention, from the last Cars and Coffee, my car was actually featured on the local INFINITI dealership here. They featured it on their Instagram and Facebook page, so I'll upload the picture they took right now. I just thought that was pretty dope, really cool, because at Cars and Coffee there were at least maybe 5 or 6 other G35 Coupes there, a few G37s, and then, well, of course it's different, but then there are also 5 or 6 Zs there too. But yeah, out of all the G35 Coupes, you know, mine was the craziest looking, of course. So I thought that was pretty dope, pretty cool that they featured it on their page and got some positive feedback from it. So yeah, I thought that was cool. I just want to throw that in there. Today's video though, I'm going to talk to you guys about big brake kits. Now, if you've been following me for a while, I mentioned in one video a long time ago that I was piecing together a Brembo big brake kit. That's hard to say. I've been piecing it together. I have pretty much all the parts now. The only thing I don't have, or the only two things I don't have, are one, the calipers powder coated yet, and two, I don't have rotors. I can't decide if I want to ball out on 2-piece rotors or just buy some cheap ones off eBay to hold me over. I don't really feel like dropping $600 plus for 2-piece rotors right now. You guys know I have these eBay pads and rotors on my car now. They've been going on for, I think it's been like, I don't even know how long it's been, but it's been a long time and they're still going fine. So I kind of want to just buy some eBay rotors just to get the kit on there, roll with it, just finally have it installed. And then later on, I'll purchase the 2-piece rotors, because overall that is the end goal. 2-piece rotors will have some great weight savings, and in the long run would be cheaper to, when I have to like replace the rotor, you know, outer part, whatever. In the long run, they'll be cheaper. But dropping all that money at once, I don't know. But anyway, so the calipers. Here are the calipers right here. Well, just one of them. These are 6-piston Brembo rotors. They, I believe these are off of a I think these are off. I think these are off of a Audi Q7. I think I can't remember, something like that. But you can also get them off of the VW sedans, whatever they are, and the Porsche crossover SUV, whatever. And sorry, VW SUVs, or I don't know the name. But these are from, I'm almost positive, an Audi Q7. That SUV crossover. But 6 piston, you can see 3 pistons on each side. Should be able to get the light in there. Pretty cool. Now, I have the lines, stainless steel brake lines. I have the Brembo brake pads, and then I also have the adapter kit in order to fit these on the Infiniti. The only thing I don't have are these powder coated, and that's where you guys come in. So, the color that I want to get these powder coated in is either a highlighter yellow or a lime, not a lime, like a neon green color. Now, knowing my car, yes, it's silver, and yes, right now I still have the blue wheels on this side with the blue, you know, blue, white, black wrap. I kind of figured with those 2 colors, no matter what color I do the car in the future, because this wrap will come off probably in around April. I'm going to take this wrap off, so it'll just be, you know, silver, and then eventually these wheels get painted black, the wheels will stay black. So I figured no matter the color combo of what the car is or the wheels, highlighter yellow and neon green will look good with any color. I know I see the new Subarus. I've seen them in red Subarus, blue Subarus, and they all have neon green calipers, and they all look good. So I kind of figured those 2 colors are really safe. They're really bright, really vibrant. They'll really pop out behind the wheels, especially a dark wheel like the dark blue I have on this side still, and then the black on the other side. So I figured those 2 colors are really safe, should look really good, and I really want these calipers to, you know, really pop and stand out, and you be able to see them. And yes, I do have Brembo decals to put on them, to black ones. So that's my idea for the color. So with that being said, you guys know, I don't know if I plan to wrap the car something else in the future. Just know that this wrap is coming off, but even if it did stay on, those 2 colors will still look great. Now, I want to get your guys' opinion on this. What do you think, color-wise, I could also consider? I really thought about doing just like classic, you know, that Brembo red color, but I think for me, the red really doesn't go well with a lot of stuff. Now, yes, I know I have the red on the splitter. I'll soon have the black wheels with the wrap off. And then I have a little red accents. So it could tie in. My interior has red accents. My engine bay has red accents in it. So the red could work. I just want to be, I just want to do something more different, more like pop. So that's why I'm really leaning towards the neon green. That is the color I'm leaning towards, and then highlighter yellow is a nice second. But let me know what you guys think, what other colors I could look into. Really, it is really nice. Black wheels, silver car. I can get away with pretty much any color I think there is. I could really pull off anything. And then even when I decide to do a different wrap or different wrap design or something, I honestly think no matter what color, it'll work, but I really want something that'll look really good and really pop and stand out. So those are my 2 choices right now. Neon green, highlighter yellow. I was going to make a video today of taking these Brembos apart, but it's a really long, not long process, kind of tedious, and there's already videos out there on YouTube on how to take these apart, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I wanted to try, there's a compressor method that you just put the compressor in where like the oil goes in or whatever, the brake fluid. And you put the compressor in there, you shoot air, and and all the pistons could pop out and you just grab them and take them out. I can't find the fitting for my compressor, so I'm gonna try and do it the old school way of just using a screwdriver and a hammer and hammer the pistons out. So I was gonna do it outside, but we've been having some really crappy weather. It's cold. I wanted to do my spark plugs, but it's cold and I don't feel like being out here. So tomorrow's gonna be a nicer day. So I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow, and there's a Cars and Coffee tomorrow as well. So I'm gonna just do a whole separate video. This video will just be asking you guys what your thoughts are, because come Monday or Tuesday, I wanna get these to the powder coater and get them done. I want them done quickly, and maybe by the, probably by springtime, I would like to get all this stuff installed. So I'm just gonna upload this one today. Just giving you guys a little update on what's been happening and my thoughts and direction I want to take with some stuff. Then hopefully tomorrow, once it warms up and I get the new spark plugs, I can finally get some tuning done. I wanted to do some data logs like a few days ago, but we had rain and then it snowed 2 of the days, or like flurry, you know, but the road was shit. So hopefully tomorrow will be nicer and then I get some data logging done, because I need to get a tune updated. There's still some track days left until the end of November. I want to try and get to at least one to take it down the drag strip, see what time in mile an hour I'm running. I'm more interested in the mile an hour, see what the trap speed is, and then probably after that, get this thing on the dyno finally, get some numbers. So, because it's been years and I'm still trying to get numbers because I don't know how much this car horsepower wise makes. So I want to get all that done soon, quick. So I gotta stop being lazy, and the weather can get a little better because that'll help a lot. So enough rambling on. So yeah, let me know in the comment what color you guys would think look good, and I'll take it into consideration when I get them powder coated. So hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned for I guess tomorrow's video, because I'm gonna do that. So yeah, see you guys then. Deuces.
Didn't even get to cross.